Welcome to Monoriki, where Castaway was filmed. And it's not just an island. It's a reminder of resilience, of listening to land, of how small we are beneath open sky, and how deeply alive we feel when surrounded by nothing but sea, sun, and the quiet courage of nature doing what it has always done. We climbed to the top, chasing the view, lungs full of salt and triumph, the ocean laid out beneath us like a map we swore we understood. The way down, however, well, let's just say the island had other plans. The paths vanished, and every "this must be it" turned into sheer drop-offs and jungle walls. Every attempt to descend ended with a nervous laugh and a very firm, nope. For a moment, fear crept in, that quiet kind that taps you on the shoulder and asks if you're sure. But Monoriki, like all good stories, gave us a way out. Some scrambling, some bushwhacking, a few jokes to keep the nerves at bay, and eventually sand beneath our feet. And Alivo patiently waiting for us out front. So grab a hat and lots of water, for we have a beautiful adventure on Monoriki today. But first, do you think I'll be able to navigate out of the narrow passage at Mana Island? Well, let's find out.
She got us going through the sketchiest little area.
That was really scary. I'm definitely white knuckling it. Probably not good for the baby. Look at all this exposed rock right here.
That's what I was saying.
We definitely have not come in at such a low tide.
Yeah, we saw 10 feet, I think was the lowest we saw.
Look at that. Glad I didn't see the 10.
7.
Oh! Where do I go?
More left.
I see a turtle. I see a turtle, that's a good sign.
It's good luck.
Yeah. Home free?
Home free.
Start turning out of
You're
here.
gonna go hard right and get out of here. There we are, that's Monoriki. That is the actual island that Castaway was filmed on. So we're gonna try to go rescue Tom Hanks. The funny thing is, he was stranded right there and acting like it was such a big deal. And there is literally a village right there. He could have just paddled there he could have swam there. He didn't even need to build that raft. So I don't know what the big deal was, but you know, we're gonna go try and rescue him and see if we can help him out. See if we can find Wilson. I don't know if he's around. He might be at the resort now. Wilson's kind of a snobby guy. Here we go.
Look at this gorgeous island, Monoriki. Just dropped hook. Water's super clear. Connor says he can see the anchor. Gorgeous. Tom Hanks, why'd you try to leave this place? Wilson would have loved to stay. All of Fiji Islands are so similar, but yet so unique. And this beach. Gorgeous. Look how clear the water is. Guys, I've been looking for Wilson everywhere. We were convinced he was still floating somewhere in the South Pacific, but we finally found him. Hola, how are you? Wilson!
We found him! I was looking for him. We thought he was at the other end.
Actually, it's like my pregnant belly. Should we name the boy Wilson?
Yeah. Finn Wilson.
This is where Tom Hanks made his fire to survive. Actually, I'm pretty sure he built it underneath his shelter. Never mind.
That is where he wrote "Help me."
Oh, that's funny.
Hopefully he drank the coconuts first.
Yeah.
Looks like it.
Black feet.
Yeah, do I look like I've been here for a while?
Yeah, I feel like that is the look of being stuck on a deserted island.
I was lucky enough that this FedEx package washed up on shore with these nice new shoes here.
And a hat.
And a hat.
Alright, he's ready for his survival mission. Today would have been a great day for Tom to take his raft out there. The reef doesn't look too crazy, no waves. Gosh, he just had some bad luck.
Yeah, he did not wait long enough. Or way too long.
Or way too long. Well, he's been out here too long. And now the sole of his shoe is falling apart.
Maybe I can find some shoelace washed up on shore.
I'll weave you some new shoes. These palms.
Place?
There was way better shelters, Tom. What were you thinking?
Yeah, the cave was pretty good.
The cave was good, yeah.
Where is the cave?
I don't know.
Pretty nice island. Oh, that's a really nice, easy trail, though. Should we go see if the cave's over here? Tom really put in some good work here, huh? Clearing this whole trail out.
Yeah, he's a great landscaper.
Yeah. Man, he ate a lot of coconuts too. Oh, are there goats?
He could have eaten goats.
What the heck? Tom, such a complainer. We're not very good at hiking or exploring, I think, because we've only just made it around the bottom of one section of the island. Alright, Tom, you get a break on this one. This island's not as straightforward as we thought. Yeah, Tom didn't have a cell phone here.
He didn't have his cell phone.
We're gonna have to put in more work. We heard some goats, so maybe we'll follow them. We were looking for two widely landscaped of trails. You sure you want to do this?
Yep. We got this. Finn's got this. We're having a boy.
See Alivo down there? So we were just approached by one of the guys. I don't know if he's in charge or what, but he wanted the landing fee also. We already gave one guy the Cebu Cebu kava offering, and then another guy wanted the landing fee. And this side of Fiji seems to be a little bit more money hungry, let's just say. Where the other islands that we went to on the outskirts, like Kandavu, they were just, thrilled to have us and very thankful for just the Cebu Cebu. I guess everyone's got to make their living.
We offered more kava. He laughed at us. Take it or leave it.
We have a lot of kava. This is a real hike.
That's a pretty small cave.
Yeah, no wonder Wilson didn't like it in there. Yeah, it's up this way.
That way?
Uh-huh. There are markers. We just have to look.
Technically, our Karens today are orange little markers. Little bands around the trees.
I'll call him Ken.
See you, Alivo! Oh my gosh.
I'm not even close. You guys think that's close?
Too close. Can you get back? I don't like it. That is very complicated. I'm about to commit suicide.
I don't know if it would have worked. It looks pretty soft down there, Tom.
Oh, I feel like I'm flying. I'm like a drone.
Yeah, maybe this is it.
Careful.
Who knows? Very beautiful.
So beautiful.
Pretty steep.
I'm so scared. Get back. Get
But we're
back.
not even to the top yet.
Oh, shoot.
I don't think we're getting up there.
Yeah, we'll have to rock climb. Okay, can you come back?
I'm
I'm not going to let go of your shirt until you come back.
Looking at our dinghy down there. Back up. This girl's insane.
Rock climbing lady.
This is probably pretty easy stuff, but kind of scary stuff. Well, we found one random marker, but nothing else within eyesight. Oh, I think I see a marker over there, actually. But I don't know. We're kind of making our own trail now.
Say Wilson. Show me the way. Uh-oh, we're lost.
We are lost.
That way!
Well, we found a dead end. Not making it down that way. And my soul came off. I have no soul. Malvina found the missing marker. I think.
We are so lost.
How did we get so lost? This is embarrassing. Okay, let me. She just wants to go back up. She loves hiking so much she won't let this end.
You see it over there?
Marker. Alright. How did we get so off track? Let Malvina take over for 2 seconds.
I found this. Hey, Thank goodness.
Whew.
That was starting to get scary.
It actually kind of was.
Were you scared? Oh.
Tom Hanks made it look so easy.
That was a little scary. I was like, am I gonna have energy to finish this? Oh, did I get lost again?
There we go.
Hi.
Oh, it's amazing, yeah. Well, the way up seemed so kind of obvious and easy. We didn't really pay attention too much. We weren't even really following the markers, but we were. Yeah, now on the way down, you can see how we got stuck a little bit. There's a lot of sheer drop-offs here, and there's another one over to that side behind Malvina. So this is the only real way down, I think. So
We did
glad we
it.
found it.
Yeah.
Who needs a fan weaving class?
You can find a leaf.
And we made it back to almost civilization.
No civilization here.
May not be civilization, but it's a wide trail, and that feels civilized enough for me. Alright, we give Tom a little bit of a break now because we almost got stuck on this island, and we have a boat right there. We just couldn't get down the dang old hill. Malvina's finding resources, though. Trying more fruits. She has no idea what they are.
Well, there's a lot of them.
Must be good.
There's one there. There's some green ones growing. There's like a big tree. Good fruit. Tom, no wonder you survived so long out here.
Uh-oh. Just in the nick of time. We're coming back to save you, Shadow.
Well, that was absolutely fabulous. Thanks, Tom, for sharing your deserted island.
That's where we were, right there.
Back to Alivo we go, and then we're gonna go anchor by Manu Island.
And, I guess...
Next up, we drop anchor at Manu Island, our final tropical playground before we turn south towards New Zealand. But paradise doesn't let us off easy. There's one unfortunate casualty. Well, it's all fun and games until you kick a rock.
Ay, ay, ay.
And if we want fresh coconuts, let's just say they're sitting about 40 feet higher than we'd prefer. One last island adventure, a little blood, and a lot of sweat before we trade palm trees for passage, plans, and prep. We want to give a huge thank you to all our supporters. We so appreciate you and are amazed at your generosity. If you want to also help support our journey, check us out on Patreon. There's a link below in the description. Or if it's easier, scan your phone right now on the QR code that's right here on the screen. Now make it a great day, and see you next episode.